What's outside?
Yeah.
What's outside? Huh? Is there a lot of snow outside? Huh? Is there a lot of snow?
Oh, you can't me.
Who's that? Is that Chico? Yeah?
Oh, yeah.
You want some blueberries? What? Blueberry? That's Ashley's word. Her first word, blueberry. What? What is it? Yeah, she's a very busy baby. She's got a lot to do. She's got a lot to do. She's always doing something, right? Say bye-bye. Can you blow kisses? Are you clapping? Can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Oh, very nice. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.